come down for you. When the lover come down for you. Y'all can't let me wine for you. Y'all can't let me wine for you. When the lover come down for you. When the lover come down for you. Just can't let me wine for you. Just can't let me wine for you. He said she can't.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. I'll make diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and I am back. Today, I'm going to be doing a haul, but I'm going to be doing it with two companies this time: Fashion Nova and Shein. I never get enough stuff from each of them to do their own separate hauls, so I'm just, combine them up. So I'm gonna be letting my friend right here, Shacqueal, rate them for me. Okay. I wanna say she must rate my things then, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let my friend rate my outfits. So I'm going to be putting my measurements and all the links to the stuff in the description because I don't remember exactly what I name or the exact sizes, but if I'm not extra small, then I'm small. That's really it. If they have it in an extra small, it's an extra small bag. If they want to have it in a small, it's a small bag. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Yeah. Alright guys, so the first outfit is this one that I have on, and it's just a simple black romper. I bought it because I know the time I want to get up and put on shorts and one shirt. If I'm making a little quick stop down the road, or if I'm smelly yard and I don't want to look, very pop down, I'm just fling on something. So yeah, that's what this is. Let me come a little closer. Nothing too fancy. Oh, what is this? Anyways, yeah, just a simple sitting. It's the straps are adjustable, and right here, so I have one elastic, so it doesn't look so like one box. Yeah, and if you have a bigger button on that, it will look nicer, but I don't have those facilities. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate my romper?
I'm joking, guys. For the occasions that she mentioned, I'll give this an 8. Like, I really love this. When I wear this, like she said, go run out the errand, go to the supermarket, gas station. If my boyfriend come pick me up for like a quick stop, I put on this. Things like that. For occasions like that, I give this an 8.
What could make it a 10?
Nothing. It's that simple.
Well, that's nice, people. I don't mind. I like the 8 out of 10 is fine. If somebody just get it honest and say, this looks very simple though.
It really
but I mean, for the occasions, we don't really need nothing more.
I'm not even thinking of blazer, could I probably.
Maybe one jeans jacket, you think?
Probably a jeans jacket, I give it a 9.
A buzz. You might give it a little extra buzz.
Yeah, jacket.
Yeah. Heard.
Yeah. But for this, 8.
8 out of 10. Okay, people. On to the next outfit. Oh, but they tell us I'm gonna get this from Shein.
This is a Shein.
This is from Shein. So these items that I'm going to be doing are from Shein, and then when we reach the Fashion Nova and then. Yeah. So on to the next. Okay, so the next outfit is this little, what do you call this? A little romper, little butterfly romper. Heard. Wait, what? We can't ever see even better.
I'm help you, sis.
Heard. Yeah, the first time I actually wear this, or the 2 times I'm actually wear this, I wear one shorts over it. Like, I just draw this up and wear one shorts. 1, because it's doing too much. And 2, no. At the time I never did like. Oh, don't wear so fit. But I did like it as one top to my friend shots. So you know where I wear this too? Well, let me tell you where I've worn it too. So where it goes one night. At a little oh wait, one bar when we look back to red, I'm gonna drop this all the way so nobody gonna know. Yeah. But my friend over here is gonna rate my outfit. So tell me how much you give me.
8.5.
Why not get a 10?
Because it's simple. It's simple too. Kind of simple.
Okay.
It kind of not look like mood just wear this go. Oh yeah. Mood wear this go. Oh, I wear it. Still got the supermarket. Still the boyfriend come to me. So I
think that's why I made it put on like shorts with it.
A shorts that look nice with it. It just by itself it just look okay.
Yeah. But me that fit. Put on shorts and Yeah.
Still a is.
Still. She's 8.5, you say?
8.5. 8.5. Mistake. 8.5 because it's a little bit more buzzy than the other one.
Look more buzzy than the other one. Okay. Heard. On to the next. Outfit number 3 is just a simple red rib knit bodycon dress. It look a bit biggish for me. Like right here, so could I take in some more? You know? Would I look? I know I can't see, but I know this look good.
Yeah, man, it look
top shorts. Top shorts. Look at your nice clean mouth.
Me get this or top?
Yeah. No, raise it. I'm excited for it.
I give this a 10. Probably because let me tell you what Shelby just needs a little bit more body.
A little bit more.
But that dress here actually nice, guys.
Wow.
And you can dress it up without one heels and one same jeans jacket or any jacket. And then this would really look nice with that jacket. They can actually wear this dress, go put on one little deal. You can wear the dress out.
Yeah.
Me like the dress down.
Me like the dress.
This can wear with heels and you can wear with sneakers.
Heard.
I love the color.
10. Yes, it's my favorite color, people. I had to, you know.
I love it. 10. 10.
Oh my god, it's me sweating off my makeup for me.
Same.
But it's so this is our first 10. Alright, maybe so the rest of them can get on to the next. Okay guys, outfit number 4. So I actually did not buy these to go together. I bought this top to wear with something out of the Fashion Nova set. But what was the nice? I bought this, yeah, both are separate. Yeah. But no, that me look on it in the camera, although I can't see. It don't look that bad, but I don't really think I don't know.
I don't like them together.
I'm not sure.
I don't like them together. I just don't think the top match that.
Yeah, the top kind of more for a different fit. It's for a different outfit.
Yeah.
But firstly, rate the top without seeing the skirt. Rate the top itself. Oh wait, guys, it has black pins on it. You know, like a style, you know, like a marina type shirt with like a black pin in it. So yeah, it's a little crop top. That's about it. So me eat that. Just too long.
6.5.
Why?
I just don't like it. It's alright. If me wear this, I'm gonna wear it with a bikini bottom.
This?
Mood wear this with one pants, mood wear this with one skirt, nor one shorts, nor.
Wow.
I'm gonna wear it with a bikini bottom.
Wow.
I'm gonna one blouse and just do one bikini bottom already.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it. Oh.
But me alright, it's not my style, so that's.
I was about to say that me and Shacqueal have a little bit of a different taste.
Yeah.
When it comes on to certain clothes.
Things.
Yeah.
But this.
I love this stuff. If it didn't have to be big in this stuff. The only thing making lose points for me is me not love the material. I think the material too loose. I feel like it could have been one of them suck on material. I don't know. But it's not like this.
No,
I don't like this.
How much more?
I don't like it. It too. I don't know. I like the top overall. But if I could change something about it, I'd probably change the material. Maybe same ribbed material, but not. Alright, probably the ribbed material like the red dress. But this, I love this.
They're my same thing, sure.
I don't know. They're my same thing. Feel it. I feel this. This feels more like Marina wear we at school.
They're kind of similar. Just 6 for the top.
This,
and the skirt,
I give this an 8 for me.
The skirt would have probably be a 8 for me. Depends on the top where you wear it.
People, when I saw the skirt on Shein, I saw black. So you know how disappointed I was when I got it, and it was blue.
Black too.
I wanted black.
I kind of like the color, yeah.
Me not like the blue.
Probably that's why I make me.
Yeah, me not really like the skirt overall. Know that you know me have you on. The skirt itself is not bad,
yeah.
But
I give it as
me give the skirt 1.7.
7.
Yeah.
Honestly, a 7. Me not like the color, and
the color.
I feel like me need to see it with a top where it look good with first.
To see its potential.
Yeah, that is the problem. So I give it a 7.
So it's a 7 for both of us for the skirt, 6 for her for the top, and it's like 8.5 for me for the top because I really like this top. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm giving you schoolgirl vibes. You know them girls that are foreign when in high school and want like them also nice and have them booking in their hand. Then excuse me, bitch.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
On to the next. Okay, guys. So this is the last piece from Shein. I'm not sure that's it. So this is the last piece from Shein. It's a green halter top crisscross X-back something. Apparently, what would I call this? Tie-dye. It's a tie-dye top with a cowl neck. I think that's what you call it. I'm trying to learn my terms, people, so I can better explain when I have on things. So for me, first of all, this gets a 10.
Excuse me, a break.
For me,
you never say you is rated.
For
me,
me,
this is me rated.
That's how I'm gonna know. Say me like this.
But you're supposed to hear from me first.
A 10.
You're supposed to hear from me first. Just for that, it's a 0. Just for that.
I hate it here. So friend, how much do you?
0.
How much do you really rate my shirt?
10.
And that's from Mary Had a Little
I love
Lamb.
that shirt, that's it true.
That's on Prince Harry leaving the country with Meghan.
Heard.
Heard.
Tell me give this.
So truth.
The details on the back nice. I'm like,
Truth.
so not only is the back nice, but the front is nice.
Heard.
So it's a 10
That's nice
for
and
me.
cropped. Heard.
10 for me.
Okay.
That's
Alright. Strong 10.
10.5 out of 10.
Alright, so for the Shein clothes them, we get how much 10 we get? 1? 2 10s. We got 2 10s for the Shein. I remember every sign of them. But me just remember the 2 10 them. Alright? Yeah.
You also got a 0.
Me
I'm
remember
joking.
that. What I'm saying, 50 in pocket.
Girl, I'm just putting them in a fix up your clothes, remember?
You too lie.
Show me those, but people say me truth.
Where get 50 from?
Yeah. I can't tell like to save my life. Come on.
Alright guys, so this is the last of the Shein part. So I paired this top. I'm actually wearing this up dirty. Paired this top with these jeans. Let me lower you guys. Jeans
It's
sheet.
the rest of my outfit for me.
So these are what the jeans look like. Okay. I'll stop expose you.
Bring y'all back up to speed.
Bring y'all back up. So it's a size, apparently it's a size half. I say 1/2 on the thing, but I believe I picked a size 1 because I never want to pick size, because them fit so well. I never want to pick size 0 and then it's too small because them jeans fit true to size. So yeah. So how much do you rate my jeans, friend?
8.
Why?
Just like it.
So what? No. It's
You
not
don't
like
like it? Alright.
with the 2 there.
Me not like it enough to give it a 10. Damn. I mean,
You see the color?
me think when I change it, me like the color. Me like say cover your navel, because me like if you high waisted,
Yeah,
me expect
same.
it must be a little bit right over your navel. You know, if they're too high,
Yeah.
and if they're under my navel, so me think me like that when me get them. But me think your rips them could have different. When I change the rip them, I think they rip are nice. I'm kind of like chop and then.
She like when her concept tear up.
Right.
It's like
so,
her concept
the
tear
color
up.
nice and
Yeah.
probably do rip. Would have been, you know. But you can dress this up too, you know. So
Yep.
you can wear it down and dress it up.
You know, if I wanted I could throw on sneakers, and if I wanted I could roll up the pants foot, which I normally do with all my pants, but surprising with the pants here, I like it. I like it so.
You can wear it
Like
with
it
heels
so.
too.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Pants is versatile, and that's one purred.
How much I give you?
Purred. I give this a 9 because I don't know. The first time we did, firstly, I think I like darker jeans. I'm thinking the rips them at first. I'm just see them. I was like, I'm not sure. It did look good for the model, you know. But when me get it now, I say, why not look so good for me? But then after a while, I realized, say, you know how some jeans make you just sucking in and just make it look worse.
This is giving
This
shape.
it's giving the girls shape.
It's giving shape.
It's giving shape. Yeah. So anyway,
giving
shape
ass.
there.
It's giving curves. It's giving sophisticated. It's giving bank vibes. It's giving supermarket vibes. It's also giving date night vibes. It's also giving. Yeah, calm down now. It's also giving
everything.
8 vibes.
My 8 that. My 8 that. But yeah, people, this is online for me. I don't think I've ever had jeans this light before. I think that's why I'm gonna buy it. Cause I have a lot of dark jeans. So I was just trying to experiment. I have grown to love it because really and truly when I just get it was probably like a 6 for me. Never to love it. But then I realized say, you know, it fit real nice and yeah.
8.
Yeah. 8. 9. Pearl.
Oh, you said 8.
Still have the same blouse. But these are some, what do you call them again? Boyfriend jeans. So let me it's like his outfit for me. So these are what they look like. So don't we can't even bend my foot too much, but so the bottom might look frilly and so, and it has cuts in the back as well. But as you can see, people, it's big. It's actually big. Not that much though, you know.
Just 4 dots.
Just yeah, just a little yeah. Let's. So really and truly, I feel like if we just imagine it looking like this. Yeah.
I give this pants a 10.
A 10.
Yeah.
I give this pants a 10 as well. One reason.
But like I cut them.
Yeah. And
But like if I
really
pants
love the cut. Really love.
I mean like the back cuts as well.
Yeah.
Most
That should have looked higher though.
Most importantly, I have one like this.
Yes.
So if I never loved it, then I would have my body.
Yeah, she has one like. We never know the exact one here.
Yeah, but
let me see it with there.
I know that.
Like my friend, this is a 10 for me. I've never owned a boyfriend jeans.
You still have taste in that something.
Yeah, something. So I'm saying, you know, let me try to spice up my closet. But me, if you can't go tailor because this can't really work. If I really want to wear it though, I could finesse it. But I would prefer if I got it taken in. So yeah. And I was fling on my heels.
You could have even tie up that to do on bills and wear. You know, when you do on big shirt, like left out the back part. When you put the belt, just girt up that to the back.
So this is a 10.
Turning me into a designer.
Yes, my designer friend.
Right.
That's something.
Book me, guys.
Book my friend.
100 US. Bird.
If you know how to look good, come with no money. The next outfit. If you saw me on Instagram, you already saw the fit. And this is exactly how I wore it. But of course, we did have on tights. It's a bit see-through, folks. So your tatas are going to be showing. So, and because me didn't want to wear it like kind of open like this, I wore the lingerie under it, the little lace one. And you know, if it do show, it's one nice little thing on the ear. So yeah, no, yeah. I gave this shirt a 10.
I think I was already the outfit then before.
I'm sorry.
You don't like that for myself. Sure.
I gave this shirt a 10. Initially, I thought it was too big. And initially, I had a vision that I wanted to wear it with the boyfriend jeans and heels. I had a vision coming with tucky in one side and left out the other side. I have one nice little belt. Like, yeah.
So I'm gonna give this a 10, people, but I would wear this with a white sneakers.
Just, oh, if you didn't wear this alone, you just wear white sneakers. We think too much white tonight. So that's why I wore black. And you know we don't wear white sneakers. So
yeah, that's why me like it, we don't give it a 10, but when me wear white sneakers, that's it.
What if you wore a bag? What color bag would you wear? Black bag. Okay.
Black or red?
Yes.
No.
And you can add a pop of color.
Yeah. If you want that to flavor,
add a pop of color. Yeah. But yeah, guys, and this blouse is actually not extra small, and it's actually in the women's section.
I like it big like.
I like it like this. I actually like it like this. So yeah.
Extra small.
So people, if you're actually looking for extra small, if you're small like me and you see the extra small, you realize it's big, because I saw it for you.
You get a small.
Yeah. So if you're bigger than me, get a small, and it will fit big like this. And yeah. Understand? Right, so. So alright guys, the next piece I got from Fashion Nova. I just wanted a simple cabbie, but me just did want it. I feel like in every closet you need to have a basic, you need to have a staple item that you can dress up or dress down. So this is my piece. Simple, rib knit. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Not much to it. And then I have these camouflage shorts that I've been dying to get a pair of, either in the normal army green and maybe see pink, and I was like, never tried anything. I've never really tried anything with color, so I'm gonna say, you know, yeah, really actually I wouldn't wear this tucked in, but the shirt kind of too long for the vibe with me I go for, but just ignore that, just pretend like it. Rate the top. 10. Rate the bottoms.
9.5.
Okay, that's good enough. I don't have to ask her why.
If you did longer, I would have said 10.
You sure?
Yeah, I like the longer one.
Like to my calf or so? Or no, like full pants? Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. But I'm like, show me this, see. I saw something on Pinterest and I was like, something similar. Let's try.
Would I wear the longer one with one those that look like
okay, so
we can fix that sweetie. Fixed. Yeah. But I like them together doing actually, I'm gonna give you full outfit at 9.5.
Purred. Tell them to say I have the vision, I have the vision. I have the vision. Not really and truly, I did the other blouse. I did buy it wear with this. The little
pink blouse. We did on the pink blouse. Alright, me never like.
You just don't like the pink blouse. Just say that and go. You just don't like my pink blouse.
Like the pink blouse.
Okay. But yeah, if the blouse did actually come like this, and with this, yeah, on my sneakers. Listen, man. Listen, man. I need a soldier in here. Where you take care of me. Where Purred. And this is the last thing that I got out of the package, are these cute little pink shorts. Voila. It's sad.
What are you doing?
Woo! What are you doing? So yeah, it has an elastic waist. It's like a jeans material. Around here, it could have been this much smaller, right? Because it could have a little bit smaller, or probably them are telling me some my body could have a little bit bigger. Probably it's really that.
Probably.
But either way, I'm not take it in. At first I think I'll take it in, but I'm not take it in. I'm kind of like,
oh, I understand this.
Yeah, it look a bit.
No man, you want to take it in, man. It's not cute.
It's still too big.
Like it cocky in too much.
Probably like.
You can take it inside a little bit, man.
It's like this, people.
Yeah. You may get a shorts here.
If it is take in.
No, I'm not take that off because I understand.
Okay.
But I give this shorts a 9.5 too.
Okay.
I feel like I like the pink because it's light, but I also hate the pink. I take away 5 points because 5.5. Yeah, I take off that because I just feel like it have one wash out look to me.
Okay, I get what you mean.
So if pink, you know, like baby,
it's like an acid wash.
So it look like when you wash one pink shot over and over again. But I know that's the color because I take off the 0.5 because of that. I really love your shirt.
Yeah.
I love them here together.
Yes. All right, we ended well. I give the shorts a 9 as well. Just because.
9.5.
Oh, sorry. So she gave it more than me. I think only because even though we could have fixed that still, it did look a bit biggish.
Alright, if we're talking about that, then I give it
no, we're not talking about that.
It's a 9.5 like me if we're not talking about that.
Alright, fine. I give it a 9.5. Me no mind the color. Although I get what she just said about the whole it looking like it wash out thing, but I like it. It's different because most of my clothes them black or white. To be honest, like I wear very neutral colors. I just recently started pick up like a pink hair and the green hair and whatever, you know, because my closet is boring. So yeah, and okay, we didn't do too bad. I have a little bit of taste apparently, you know. Romper. Yeah. Alright guys, as I said, the links to all these stuff will be in the description box below. And until next time, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel, all that wonderful stuff. And yeah, bye.